What's up, besties? It is time for us to inspect what we expect. A part of my payday routine is to check in on my budget 1 week after I have been paid. It is a long process. It's actually a system that I have to make sure that I don't go over budget, and if I do go over budget, it's not by too much. It's important that you really take a look at the budget after you have completed the budget and not just complete it and move on about your life. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. So if that is something that you want to see, then just go ahead and stay tuned. Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. So if you are new to the channel, welcome. I really appreciate you clicking on my video and giving the channel a try. I hope that you do subscribe if you like what you see or experience. Make sure that you click the notification bell so that you know every time I do upload a new video. And if you have been kind of like a visitor to the channel and you really haven't, you're like, you know how you visit certain churches and you're like, I don't know if I want to join yet. Yeah, so if that has been you, and we have been getting to know each other and you want to become a bestie, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and become an official bestie. And if you are already a bestie, you already know what it is. Giving you hugs, virtual hugs. Thank you guys so much for tuning back in. Like I said, we are checking in on the budget, and the last time that I got paid was in the month of October. I got paid October 27th, and this is what I am going to be completing, I'm going to be completing the check-in on this paycheck. I'm a paycheck to paycheck budgeter, which means that I budget my paychecks as opposed to the full month. It just works out better for me that way. And a part of my payday routine is to complete the budget, take out my cash envelopes, and do all that good stuff. And then 1 week into the budget, I need to come back and I need to see how I'm doing so I know how I'm going to close out the end of the paycheck budget. So let's get started. I'm gonna rip this out the plastic. And I've done some pre-work already, which is good so that the video isn't too long. And then, yeah. So I have gone over budget. Let me just be real with y'all right now. Let me just confess, I have gone over budget. Let's start from the top. I did have a buffer left over of $280.65. So I'm gonna jot that down. And my paycheck was $1,222.75. I did have the inflow total of $1,503.40. I did pay my mortgage. My mortgage is paid out of a separate checking account. I have my mortgage automatically going over to that checking account when I am paid. Don't have to worry about it. I did give my tithes. Hulu came in at a whopping $28.98. I know the besties, I know y'all gonna be like, girl, I thought you was canceling Hulu. Well, let me tell you, okay? I didn't know that I liked Hulu as much as I do. So I actually did want to watch The Chi. And so I added the Showtime package. I will be canceling it. I don't know what's going on with The Chi. They gave us 8 episodes and then I don't know where they went. So maybe if somebody who watches The Chi knows, please let me know, because soon I'm gonna be taking Showtime off, and then I will just be having the regular Hulu. They do have a new show on there, a couple shows that I'm actually watching and enjoying a lot. So even though I said I was gonna cancel them, I probably won't cancel them. Solar came in at $101.72. My solar bill is going down. My gas bill utility came in at $19.45. support, 75. Apple came in under budget at $69.72. And Netflix came in at $15.49. Cable internet came in $122.30. ADT came in at $68.52. ADT, which is the actual equipment that I'm paying off, came in at $12.15. And then my electricity came in at $29.33. I will complete the fixed expenses area at the closeout. Now we're going down to variable expenses. So I definitely have gone over in groceries. No need to bring out my wallet and have all the dramatics. I don't have any more money left in my wallet. Let me just tell you guys that. So for groceries, I have $200 that I budgeted for. And then I went over by $49.84. Yeah. So that's $249.84 so far that I've spent on groceries. Household, that also came in over budget, and I budgeted $50, and I actually have $49.38. $61.85 is $161.23 total. So I will keep this running if I happen to spend more. And then toiletries, $25, and gas is currently at, I need to update my tracker, but I spent about $60 in gas. So I'm at like, so if we do $68.52, let me bring this over here. $68.52 plus an approximate $60 is what I spent. So $128.52. So I'm doing pretty good as it relates to gas, I think. I hope. Yes. I believe I'm doing pretty good as it relates to gas. But I'll have the total numbers once we do the closeout. Now we're going to hopscotch over to sinking funds. And, well, no, let me moonwalk back over to variable expenses, because I do have some more things that I actually spend money on that I want to go over. So I did give an extra $25 in offering, and then my friend had a book signing that I forgot about, and I had to pay $25 to go. So I definitely wanted to support my friend. So that was $25. So when I complete the actual budget, like the closeout, I'll just put here over budget, and then I'll write the total amount, like for the other things. And I'll probably just list it out here. That'll help me by knowing exactly what it is. Okay, so now we can hopscotch back over to sinking funds, and we can start in this section. So here for the sinking funds, I'm gonna go ahead and jot down everything, and I'll be right back. So for the sinking funds, I did take out everything that you see here. I didn't take out any more or any less. And here in debt, I took out $78 only. And for extra savings, I took out $80 as well. So far, I'm doing pretty good. My leftover is $101.74. It's definitely going to be less than that because of the overages that I have. But so far, everything is looking pretty good as far as this actual paycheck. And I don't need to add any money to anything. And I didn't complete the... I still need to work on that sheet I was working on, like the 1 week check-in sheet. I just didn't feel like bothering with it right now. So that's totally all right. I did my unstuffing, And thank you guys so much for answering the questions that I had my sinking funds month in for you guys who watched that video. If you didn't watch the video, I'll go ahead and link it right here for you to check it out. But I was confused on the sinking funds sheet, and definitely want to give a shout out to Monet's Money, because I did watch her video and the light bulb went off. And then also a few of the besties had recommended her, and then also just recommended what I should do. So I should have a starting balance, a plus column, a minus column, and then the difference here. And then here as well, this should still be 1100. So you guys were like, oh, I wish it was 11,000. 1100. What do I need to do here? Oh, take away a 0 and a 1. I'll get my whiteout to fix. There we go, 1100. So you guys let me know that just because I took it out of the envelope doesn't mean that I don't have it. So I still have it, and I have that placeholder. So I currently still have the 1100 in the savings. So you guys really helped me out a lot on this sheet. So I will complete, or I will make the adjustments, and then on the new video I will, or the new month, sorry, for November's month end, this will be done correctly. But so far, this is everything. This is my 1 week check-in. I do get paid on Friday, so I will be closing out this budget, and then we'll be starting over in the month of November. As far as the no spend, I am doing pretty good, except Saturday. As we saw, I had some overages, so I'm gonna have to write that in. But that is pretty much it for the 1 week check-in. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section. But until then, go be great, besties. See you on Friday for Friday Night Live. Peace out.